solves short products easily without doing any exact calculations. It is also useful in daily life, like for shopping and measuring. So, let's take an example. Suppose it was just 47 pages to write. So, we can estimate it as simply to plan better. So, with this model, I am going to test your estimation skills, analyze, and correct your mistakes. So, let's continue our journey and move on to the upper section. It is up to you which section you want to choose, easy or hard.
I will choose easy.
Okay, so estimate the number of balls in this jar. Counting won't help.
50.
No, 120.
120 number of balls. Okay.
So,
Okay.
if you have any doubts, you can ask me now.
And what is the hard one?
You want to try?
Yes, you can try.
Yes.
You want me to give you an estimate?
Yes.
This is
Or you can
90.
solve this side also.
178 or 122.
Yes, that's correct. But and estimate you can estimate 122.
This one?
No, this one it is up to you want to solve it.
This is 100.
100.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3,
Papa,
4,
count
5,
you can-
6. Chalo.
So you want to solve this side only? Okay, so it's correct. So you need to estimate 122 its estimated number. So what is it?
122.
Its estimated number. Its nearest tens.
So I gave you the answer, na? 122.
Okay, so the answer is when you estimate 122, you get 120.
Okay.
By following this number line, across there is 122. So in the one space you have 2. So when it comes to 1 to 4, you estimate it as 0. And when it comes to 5 to 9, you estimate it as 10.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you got 2. So you need to estimate as 0.
Okay. Okay. So 120.
So it will become,
Got it. Got it.
yes. You got it?
Good.
Now, let's continue with the lower section. So, in the lower section, you have 3 sections. The first one is to estimate the length in centimeters. The second one is to estimate the weight in grams. The third one, last but not the least, and the toughest section is the number of times you blink your eyes in a day, in an hour, and in a day. So, it is up to you which section you want to choose.
There's the length.
First, press the length of this red line in centimeters.
2 inches.
In centimeters.
5 centimeter.
No, it's 4 centimeters. But it's okay. 5 centimeters. It's fine. And this?
3 centimeter.
Yes, that's correct. Absolutely correct. And this? Green line.
1.5. Acha, green line.
Yes.
That is 5 centimeter.
Yes, it's also correct. It's 5.5. Now you can estimate it as 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter. So it's correct. So do you want to try this too?
Guess the weight.
Okay. So guess
Rubber is around 20 grams.
this eraser and this pencil.
Eraser is 20 gram.
Yes, it's correct. And pencil?
Pencil is 10 gram.
No, 5 grams.
5 gram.
But it's correct. You estimate 5 as 10. So it's correct. Do you want to try this section?
In a minute,
The number of times you blink your eyes.
5 times.
No, 15 to 20 times.
15 to 20 times.
Yes. And in an hour,
So 15 into 60. 900 times.
yes. Absolutely correct. And in a day,
900 into 24. You have to do multiplication, I don't know.
okay, so it's 21600. 21,600 times in a day. So, to conclude, let us revise what we learned from simple estimation. From simple estimation, we learned to use bundle maths by reasonable guessing. And second, we learned rounding of numbers as it is a crucial part for estimating numbers. And third, last but not the least, we learned using estimation in real life as it really helps us for sharing information and things. So,
Thank you. Thank you.